Okay, so here are the 4 bulbs that we took a look at, and here's our standard control. This is the 35 watt IKEA bulb. This is, you can see by the part number if you want to do a comparison of this, compare with the other ones, and this one's supposed to have a 35-degree angle or arc on it. If you took a look at the room, this is where the IKEA bulb was, and then you'll see that 1, 2, and 3 are in these positions. So number 1 was the Torchstar one. That's the 5 watt. It looks like this on the box with the 50 watt equivalent, and it's classified as a warm white. If you take a look at the top, there's 4 LEDs in there, and it comes boxed like this. Okay, we'll do a comparison of the length in a minute, but here's what all of them look like. So you'll see that one, and this is the Lighting Ever one, and then this is the other Torchstar one. So 2 different styles with the Torchstar ones, and the Lighting Ever and then the Torchstar are slightly different. The Lighting Ever probably comes boxed the nicest. That is that it comes with this package, a little bit more secure, I guess. So if we take a look at that, we'll pull that out and we'll see what that looks like. And then the last one. Okay, so this is number 3. This is the Torchstar. This one is the non-dimmable. Again, there's only one that's dimmable, so this is the only one that's dimmable out of the 3. 5 watts, 4 watts, and 4 or 3 watts, depending on where you're looking. On the website, I think this one was labeled as 4 watts, but it actually came as a 5 watt bulb. So let's take a look at the heights and what markings it has on there. You'll see that it's fairly similar. I'll pull out the IKEA bulb too to act as a reference. That one's got a slight bit of an arc to the lens that's on the front. So I'll just put that down, and you'll see what the height is like in comparison. Sorry. So if you take a look at the heights, if I put this down on the table, we take a look at the heights, we'll notice that this Torchstar one, the 5 watt one, is the tallest of the group. And if we do a comparison between that and the other 2, you'll notice that really those ones are almost bang on for their heights. Okay, so in terms of heights, they're pretty good. You'll also notice that the Lighting Ever one is the only one that has any sort of labeling on the actual bulb itself. These other ones don't have any sort of labeling or anything like that. Now, having said that, the labeling just says that it's a GU10 4 watt warm white bulb. It's got a model number 200039, but there is no UL or any sort of safety listing on there, as opposed to the IKEA one, which does. Okay, so taking a look at these again, you know, very similar. I didn't have any problems, by the way, fitting this one in. The only thing I might say is that it seemed like the top was a little bit looser with this one compared with the other ones when I'm trying to fit them into the housing. And if I just hold them like this, you'll notice that there's just an ever so slight difference in the diameter of the 5 watt one. So the 5 watt one fit just a little bit loose inside of the housing, inside of the light housing, but that didn't seem to have much of an issue if I just moved some of the prongs around. So just taking a look at the boxes again, so here's the Torchstar one here. Okay, has a lot of information on there, as opposed to something like the other Torchstar one, which basically comes in this box that looks like this, and that's it. Oops, got the 2 switched around here, so that one's there. and then the lighting ever one, which looks like this. Okay. Yeah. And really, I think that's all there is to it for this. Okay? Hope that was helpful. Sorry about the video work.